Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to find the general informations of your Instagram account. So first of all, go to your profile, then go to settings, then go to account here, and the second point in this menu is about your account. And at this point you will see the date that you joined Instagram with this profile. I joined in December 13 in 2017. Account based in Romania. Former usernames. I've had 5 usernames since I've registered. If I want to see them, I can just tap on this and it will show me all the usernames. And accounts with shared followers, 0. So this is a very helpful feature. As it says, to help keep our community authentic, we are showing information about accounts that reached a lot of people or advertise on Instagram. People can see this by tapping on the ... on your profile and choosing about this account. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.